Tom, wake up.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Anna.
How are you?
I am good. I am fine. Good morning, Buddy. Buddy is happy. Yes. Buddy is happy.
Tom, wash your face.
Yes, Mom.
Brush your teeth.
Yes, Mom. Tom, hurry up. Okay, Anna.
Sit down, please.
Okay. I want milk.
Here you are.
Thank you, Mom. May I have milk?
Yes.
Thank you.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, Dad. My bag is ready.
Good.
Bye, Buddy.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, teacher.
Sit down, please.
Okay.
Open your book.
Yes, teacher.
Welcome home, Tom.
Hello, Mom. Hi, Tom. Hi, Anna.
How was school?
It was good.
Are you tired?
No, I want to play. Let's play, Tom. Yes, let's play. Buddy, come here. Buddy, sit. Buddy is funny. Yes. Buddy is funny.
Dinner is ready.
I am coming. Me too.
How was your day?
It was good. It was nice.
Time to sleep.
Good night, Mom. Good night.
Sleep well.
Good night.